Please join me in the kitchen. Today I will be doing creamy almond chicken.
What's up, my family and friends? I am so happy that you're able to join me. This is your Jamaican girl, Norlene.
To do this creamy chicken and almond, first we're going to start by washing, cleaning, and then seasoning our chicken with our favorite chicken seasoning. We're going to rub this in nicely and then allow it to marinate for about 2 hours. Now, while this is happening, I pause to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining my channel. Do share my channel with your friends and invite them to subscribe too. If you are celebrating a birthday or an anniversary, congratulations to you. Special anniversary greetings to my friend Natalie. Birthday greetings to my friend Arlene and my niece Soroya. Know that Wayne sees, loves, and appreciates you. All right, family and friends, I move right back to my chicken. It has been marinating for about 2 hours, and so now I coat it with some corn starch. I'm just gonna mix this thoroughly so I can coat all my chicken bits. All right, my whimsical family, I'll move to deep fry my chicken cubes. This takes about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown. Now, while this is frying, I will share with you the food for thought. It comes to us from Matthew 7, verse 24. We are reminded that we are to put our confidence in the Lord. We can only do this when we do the will of the Lord, and then He will liken us unto being wise. All right, guys, so the chicken is browned nicely. The aroma in the kitchen is just superb, and you see the lime thing here, guys. It adds flavor to your chicken. Now, guys, please remember, follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. Like my page, of course. Let others get access to this video and leave your comment in the comment section. I will then remove the chicken from the oil and allow it to drain. Next, guys, in a saucepan, I will add a drizzle of olive oil. I will make sure my saucepan bottom is well coated, and then I'll add to that a cup of whole almond. On medium heat, I will toss the almond to make sure that they are brown on all sides. I then add to that my onions, my garlic. I will then add some carrots and a cup of coconut milk. I will add to that my herbs and spices, grounded herbs and spices, some cayenne pepper, salt to taste, and then I will add to that my fried pieces of chicken. This looks so good. I'm gonna add to that some tomatoes, some bell pepper, guys. I'm gonna add some sprig of thyme, cover that, and allow the coconut milk to cook in. Guys, I'm gonna add to that some grape tomatoes, some purple onions, and just a little bit of chicken stock. Enough, guys, to allow all these flavors to seep into my chicken. Now, guys, I turn off the flame and allow this to settle for about 2 minutes, guys, and then serve this. Just look at this. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Now, guys, I'm gonna go into this, all of this crunchy goodness, creamy flavor from the coconut sauce. Guys, this is awesome and delicious. Thank you so much for spending the time in the kitchen with me. Love, 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 mwah, love you. I'll see you next week. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you have not already done so. Turn on your post notification, and I'll see you next week.